Where are we? I think we're at the bottom of the flood. Ha ha ha! Who are you? Let's say I'm the one who caused the flood. You caused the flood? No, you're just a small turtle. I'm not just a small turtle. I'm a small, strong turtle with a heavy shell. Ow! I'm out of the water. Haha, you stupid penguin. Extreme charge. Hey, let me up. Let me up. Let me up. Let me just get something for you. Happy birthday. Haha, you've been defeated. Finally, we made it back up and defeated the turtle. I don't think I can stand another flood again.